Hey Miles, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Funny thing is, didn't realize that all houses in this area were 465, but we know now. So I got your house gutters all cleaned. If you take a look at the photos I sent you, you'll see that all the roof debris is taken off. The upper gutters up here had these plastic vinyl screens, and there really wasn't anything under them except for a lot sitting on top. So I hand brushed everything off the top of them, blew over top of them, so your gutter systems are good to go up there. The sponges on the front of your house definitely seem newer than the ones in the back, but I blew all the debris off the roof and on top of the sponges. Keep in mind, gutter sponges typically will only last you a few years because of all the shingle granular moss that starts to develop on top of them, and I usually suggest a different route, but hey, if that seems to be working for you, if it's not broke, don't fix it. In the future, we do offer power washing services that are gentle detergents, safe for your composite decking, where we can apply a detergent, breaks down the mold mildew, and we can do like a gentle detergent wash on your home. Been working for a lot of your neighbors here on the street, and get your windows all spruced up when we're done. So any questions you have about our service, once again, thank you so much for having us here. We do offer maintenance service agreements, so twice a year you can have us here at the end of spring, and at the end of fall, you're prepaid, gives you a discount for gutter cleaning. If you'd like to take advantage of that before you pay your invoice, we can update that. And once again, Eddie, my cell, call or text 815-520-6020. Thanks so much.